Hi everyone and welcome to this C# programming tutorial. In this tutorial we will learn how to run C# program. What is the C#? C# is modern object-oriented programming language which is developed by Microsoft. It's widely used for developing desktop applications, web applications, and mobile games and much more. So we need the ID or local environment. My personal preference, speaking of ID for writing the C# code, is Visual Studio. You can download it from the link that I'll post in the description. It's pretty much simple. When you download the install, you will see the installer something like this. And I would highly suggest selecting all the stuff that I've selected here because you will need some of this stuff during my incoming tutorials. So when you select it and install it, all of this, you can open the app actually. I forgot to mention that this is Visual Studio 2022 community version, which is completely free, and I'll be using the same version. So what we want to do is to create our console application and run our first program. So we can start with creating a new project. So we need a console application. And here you can change the name of the project and the location of the project and much more. But let's leave it as it is. And framework also, it's fine for now. And click on create. So it takes some time to create it, and now we have our first console application. So I won't deep dive into all of these functions because you will use to it during my tutorials, but what I want you to do is to run your first program just to make sure that everything is working fine. You can do it by clicking on this arrow. And you can see the output of the program which says hello world. So congratulations, you successfully ran your first C# program, and that would be pretty much it for this tutorial. See you in the next one.